Yeah, I know. I don't like using it, but that's what the repair manual says. So, that's that. The crisscross pattern. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I can mark the head bolts. Alright, let's see. Put these angles in one fell swoop. 1, 2, 3. The second 90 degrees is going to be very, very tough. Use a lot of strength for this. Ah. 90. 90. And 90. Alright, now putting these back. Or it doesn't really matter because there's a new head, but I actually like to do it. Intake. So the top two obviously are for the top one. So should I match it up? Match it up. Alright, now let's check timing. That's good. That's good. And this other mark is, oh, it's 1 teeth off. Excellent timing cover. I'm trying to move triggers. And I'm done. Ready to drop. No, I didn't do shit. No, I didn't do shit. Don't get me. I'll hold it. Started right up. Car's running good. Wow. Now just bleed everything and we're good.